Today I'm going to show you a luxury new construction model home in a new development in Palm Beach where they're building a town center, a hospital, more higher end amenities to attract businesses and residents, different home designs to choose from, and plenty of options to custom build your home or move in right away without the wait. So if you're looking to buy a home here and want to learn more about what this community has to offer, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I'm an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida. And I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So the home we are coming up to now is their Manhattan model, which is built showcasing their signature California modern style with all of the space and luxury that you could want and need. Offering at least 4 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, and over 3,800 square feet under air, or up to 4,200 if you decide to go with the media room like what's shown on this model. The Manhattan is designed with 2 master bedrooms, the primary downstairs and a second master upstairs. There's a guest suite or office downstairs and a home gym or second office upstairs, along with the media room and the other 2 en-suites centered around the loft. This is a perfect floor plan if you work from home, have a multi-generational household, or are looking for a forever home that checks all of your boxes. And what I love about this builder and their homes is that they are highly customizable to where every home is unique, whether you want to build from scratch or need a home that's more move-in ready. At the heart of the home, you'll find the contemporary gourmet kitchen, which overlooks the dining room and great room. There's large format porcelain tile throughout the home and wood-look flooring upstairs. The primary has a freestanding tub and a frameless glass shower enclosure, and each bathroom was designed with its own custom look with different vanities and tile, and that attention to detail persists in every room of the home. Their backyards are absolutely stunning with your own summer kitchen and private pool overlooking the lake. And with respect to this community that they're building here in Palm Beach Gardens, Avenir is a master plan development that will have nearly 4,000 homes across 4,500 acres of lands where they're building out multiple unique communities, a town center approved for retail, offices, dining, and entertainment. There will be nature preserves and walking trails, parks, and a high-end luxury golf club. A new charter school is in the works, along with a comprehensive medical campus within Avenir with a 53,000 square foot hospital with emergency services, plus 75,000 square feet of office space with primary care specialists and other outpatient services. There will be several private clubhouses for the residents in different phases of the development, each with their own resort pools, cabanas, splashpads, sports courts, playgrounds, and event hall and fitness centers. And the new clubhouse that will be finished this year for the newest phases will have its own full-service restaurant on site with a nail salon, massage rooms, sauna and steam rooms, and an indoor sports complex. Avenir is setting itself up to be the focus of luxury resort-style property in the Western Palm Beach area for the next decade. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this and other homes that they have available here in Avenir that I can help you build or that are move-in ready, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. I've worked with this builder extensively and have experience working with and bringing clients to each and every builder here in South Florida. There's a lot to take in exploring new developments, and I'm here to help make the process less stressful and break down everything for you. So there's a huge benefit to have me on your side to answer all of your questions about the process from beginning through closing. And the builders compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this anywhere in Palm Beach, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.